This week, we show you exactly what it takes to build a 5-foot tall drill stem pipe and wire mesh country estate fence, and that happens now. Hello and welcome to Affordable Backyard University, where you will confidently learn how to purchase backyard home improvements the right way. Okay, so let's start with the bones of this fence. That is 2 3/8 inch drill stem pipe. It's the heavy duty stuff they do to drill oil wells. Like I said, that's 2 3/8 inch. It's perfect for this application. Those posts are about 8 feet apart. They are 2 foot deep in the ground, held with maximizer concrete, and you don't want to cheap out on that because stuff moves in Texas and you want those posts to stay good and straight. That mesh is a 2x4 window pane, 5-foot tall mesh. They come in many different configurations and shapes, depending on what all you want to keep out or keep in. The wire is stretched with a big block and tackle off the back of a pickup truck, and then it's wired with heavy-duty wire to the actual fence itself. The paint is gloss black rust inhibiting paint, and those round post caps, they come in all different styles and choices. Just what you want to pick. That's the ones we picked. Now, this family had additional property that was back behind. You can't fence everything, so they've got a way to get back there to mow and to do other stuff. So we put in a double 5-foot gate. So when you open those two, there is basically 10 foot. You can get a dump truck through there if you need to or whatever. It's always a good idea to do that in case you ever do need septic or some other kind of service that has to use a larger equipment. Now here's a shot standing from out in their pasture, and this is just a regular little normal 4-foot gate, so you can walk through. You don't have to mess with opening the big gates and stuff if you don't want to. Good shot. You can see how out in the country. Here's a good shot of the other front corner with another 4-foot gate. You can see how the fence sets right up against the side of the house, comes out and goes back, and then you can even see that back gate that I just showed you a second ago. All this stuff lasts forever. Somewhere in the next between 5 and 10 years, that paint's going to start to fade, and you may have to repaint the fence if you care. Some people don't. All you do is cut the wire loose and then paint it, and then wire it right back up. It's perfect. Well, you know what that music means. It's time for me to shut up and let you walk this job one last time. Take some notes, look at it, see what we did and how you can do it, or call us and we'll help you do it. Till then, we'll see you next time on Affordable Backyard Construction University. Don't forget our new downloadable ebook, Affordable Backyard Secrets. It's all the tips and tricks we tell you about every week, but it's all in one spot. You don't have to listen to me talk either. Go to affordablebackyardconstruction.com. Get your copy today. See you next week.